Good morning, Backroad Bender fans. Welcome, YouTubers.
Yes. My trusty steed.
Golf R coming by.
Yep, there's a Golf R. Not really jealous, but I think it's still cool. Yep. All of 139 horses. I don't know.
This is Al's shop here. We got the 69 car. I'll be driving that tomorrow.
I don't know, I just want to learn the track and go fast. I'm excited to do west because
Keep it tidy.
It's like a go-kart track.
Yeah, don't fuck it up.
Thanks. Yeah, alright. So we're about to get checked in and then go gap some kids with fast cars. We're out here, got this vet. It's LS swapped actually.
Rob's documenting.
Sir, what do you have to say to the YouTube peoples?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. This is the Type R here. We got a special vinyl wrap here. Yeah. We got my spec and Connor and
We can double park.
You can see in here we've got my office. It's real nice. It's an M edition actually. Yeah, let's see. We got this man over here setting up. We got these quality gauges. I can't even lie, these are my favorite Miata gauges. They look pretty sexy to be honest. Oh, it's the one and only. How is the vet?
No, not very good.
Not very good.
OP car, you know.
OP car, more like slow P car.
Okay.
Oh, R.I.P. Bro, this shit is so clean. Look at that. Look at that shit, bro. Wow, that wheel. This is the intermediate 3 session. I like that. I think that this turn is really fun, and I just spun out. You guys will see the footage.
We'll have to put that on the Backroad Bender site.
Yeah.
Footage is pretty good.
All right, this is a prime example of what you get when you care about your paint at track. And this is a prime example of what you get when you do not care about your paint at track.
Come on. Show your dad's car.
It's just a boring old man car. Dad, what did you run? What was your fast lap? I did the same thing. Same thing.
11/100's faster.
All right.
Still fast.
Okay, well during open pit when I get non-flat spotted tires, I'm gonna run a 129.8. Right now we got a 70-minute open pit session, so pretty much got an enduro race.
Heeheehee Smooth.
What's up?
Do you have anything to say to your Backroad Bender and YouTube fans?
Subscribe if you care to, and like, and if you leave a comment, I will reply to it, or I will see it. Alright, thank you.